it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today we're going to be making Dalgona whipped coffee. Now, this has been done over and over and over again, and it has become a viral sensation. I actually saw the video for the first time from Emmymadeinjapan. I am not a TikToker. I think I'm like too old to get into all these new apps and platforms. So I'm going to be making what Emmy did, and what she did was a coffee whipped topping, and then later on in another video she did the Dalgona whipped coffee drink. I'm going to go back and do the whipped topping because I want to see how well this stuff pipes. Now in her video she did a really beautiful piping job on her cupcakes, but it was really simplistic, and I want to try to do something a little bit more complicated. I want to see if I can actually pipe maybe a rose on it or something that needs a little bit more definition. So let's get piping.
Following the exact same recipe that Emmy used, I am doing a 1-to-1 ratio, and I chose to do 3 tablespoons of each ingredient, which is just espresso powder, ice water, and sugar. I was actually anticipating that this would take quite a long time for it to whip up into anything, but I was actually seeing results after about 45 seconds.
Okay, what in the actual wizardry is this? So when I've been watching all of the videos on how to make this, Emmy described it as a meringue, and yes, a meringue is thick and it can pipe into beautiful shapes, but this is like one level off of buttercream. It is insane. I am so ready to pipe this.
So with my first piping test, I had fairly high hopes because when I watched Emmy's video, she was able to do this. I was impressed that it did have so much detail though. When I began piping this rose, I wasn't really sure what was going to happen, but miracle upon miracle, I was able to pipe a fairly detailed rose with several petals. My apologies, guys, that you didn't get to see the whole thing in camera. I'm still working on where my camera is when I'm filming. Since piping the cupcakes turned out to be super easy, I decided to go the distance and actually make the drink itself. I started with piping the rest of whatever I had with the star tip. And then, because I'm super extra, I decided to pipe a rose onto here too. I wasn't just proud of myself for being able to pipe the rose onto the coffee drink, I was super proud that all of it made it into view. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to be part of the Sweetie fam. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload next, which right now is happening at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time daily.
That stuff's good. Wow.